Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Van Cleef and Arpels and I will pre-order an item from my wish list and I'm so excited about it. And I will show to you some additional items that I really love. And after that, I'm gonna have a quick stop in Rolex. I want to show you such beautiful watches that I discovered. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few luxury shopping vlogs, Dior, Chanel, fashion and style, beauty products and travel videos. How gorgeous are these? I didn't know that they have a ring like that. It's so cute. And I love those earrings. They're still on my wish list. I really want them. They are just perfect for Chinese New Year. And I also saw these beautiful items. I saw some of them before. I love the earrings the most. They're so stunning. I also want to show you a very beautiful watch that I saw today. I'll show to you in a second. So many beautiful items. I literally love every single one in VCA. And that's why my VCA wish list just never gets smaller because I keep on adding and adding more items. And by the way, here is the watch. How beautiful is this design? It's just so stunning. This design is just so special. It's really gorgeous and I like the strap and the diamonds. It's amazing. There was this watch as well that I passed by very quickly. It's so pretty. I love the diamonds. It's really nice. And today I actually wanted to try 10 motif onyx necklace. However, it was not available in the store, so I'm going to try on the 20 motif instead and show to you. And I'm actually quite excited that they have 20 motif necklace because I have never tried 20 motif onyx and I'm very curious to see how it's going to look on me. And because I have to pair it with something, I will also try on these earrings in the vintage size. I tried them before, but I wasn't into it. I just want to give it a second chance. And this is how the necklace looks on me. It's quite pretty. I never expected to like it on me. I always thought that onyx is a bit too harsh on me, but I love it. I'm very surprised to see that it looks so great even with a casual t-shirt. I never expected it to be so nice and I really like this kind of look. And nowadays I mostly wear casual type of outfits because we're still working from home most of the time and it's getting hotter in Singapore and I just can't wear really thick items. I usually wear a t-shirt and a tweed blazer or a dress and I like the look of it. It's so cute and it's definitely going on my wish list. I want to get this necklace, but I'm also deciding between the white necklace and I will show it to you as well. I would only have to select one for the next few months because I like to think through my purchases for a while and I like that last year I actually have zero regrets about everything that I bought and which is so great. I don't mind buying expensive items, but as long as I use them and wear them very often. I actually have never tried to sell any of my luxury items. I'm dreading to try. I heard so many horror stories from my friends who got scammed before or had to deal with lowballers, how stressful it is. And I don't even have time for this, so I prefer to just think through for a while and make sure that the item that I add to my wardrobe is something that I'll be using for the years to come. Thinking for a while actually makes me a lot happier. I feel like I spent enough time thinking about the items. I definitely know what I want. I will not have any regrets. And as a result, I end up wearing it so often and loving it and feeling excitement every time I look at the item. And I'm definitely taking this approach in 2021 since it worked for me. And by the way, guys, I will record a video about impulse buying and will share with you some tips, something that worked for me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. I have to say, I really love the way this necklace looks with my black jacket, and I have a lot of black clothes. I usually wear it for work, and I can imagine wearing this necklace with the black plain dress and a black Chanel classic flat back. It's just gonna look so elegant. I definitely will have to think whether I want to add 20 motif necklace next, and if I do, it's probably going to be in onyx, but I still want white mother of pearl because most of my jewelry is in white mother of pearl, something that I need to think about. But I'm so obsessed with Van Cleef, and I think I'm going to focus on this brand this year. And by the way, guys, these are the earrings. They are so gorgeous. I absolutely love them. I'm not sure why I wasn't used to onyx when I tried it for the first time. I think they are absolutely stunning and I love them so much, and they look the best with the necklace. And I think eventually I will get them as well after the necklace. I just have to decide which color I prefer, because I'm also considering getting the 10 motif necklace in white mother of pearl, which will already match my earrings, my 2 motif white mother of pearl and my single motif in the magic size. I think it's very beautiful, but again, I need to think for a while. Actually, when I came to the store today, I was about to get this necklace, but then I spoke to my lovely SA and I decided to get the other item instead because it's more rare, it's harder to find, and the stock seems to be quite limited now. So I can't wait to unbox it for you next time. I will be able to pick it up. It will arrive from France. And if you have been watching my videos for a while, you kind of can guess which item that is. I have been obsessing over it and I tried it a few times and I pulled the trigger. Anyways, so I stacked both necklaces together. I think it's alright, but maybe I could wrap around the 20 motif. I will try it in a minute, but if I compare both lengths, the 10 motif or the 20 motif, which one do you think is better? Also white or black? It's so hard to make up my mind, it's really hard. It would be definitely easier for me to stack the white one because I already have a lot of jewelry. But as for the black one, I would match it with so many of my dresses and probably work dresses. And also, is the longer version too mature for me, or do you think it's okay? Please let me know what you think about them in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it. Why everything is so beautiful in VCA is just so hard to make a decision. And here are the 2 necklaces stacked together. I love that look. It's so stunning. I like the combination of black and white. I like that look a lot, and something I could consider as well. I also wanted to try the 10 motif necklace, but unfortunately it wasn't available, so I just tried this necklace as 10 motif, and I really like it a lot. It's so hard to decide. I will be thinking for a while again. Anyways, we are now at Rolex and we are here to pre-order something, but since I'm in a store, I wanted to show you 2 beautiful watches that I spotted. These ones are in the size 28. I think they are too small for me. I can't try them in a size 31, they're not available and I usually wear that size. And here is another design in this size, in size 31, and they are so stunning. Look at this mother of pearl butterflies, how gorgeous are these, and the diamonds. They are so sparkly. My friend sent a picture of them to me and at first I thought they're very cute, but actually seeing them in real life, they are incredible. They're so beautiful and one of the kind. I will stack it with my Cartier Love bracelet. They look so cute together, so beautiful. By the way, I can see some small scratches on my Cartier Love bracelet. I need to use Jules Rouge cloth. It will help to remove them, and that's why I love the yellow gold. I literally can't imagine how scratched up my bracelet would be without the Jules Rouge cloth. It probably would look horrendous over this time. And I'm so glad that I discovered it, thanks to the Cartier sales associate. Anyways, here are the two watches together, side by side. Both are gorgeous. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're curious to see what item from my wish list I purchased from VCA, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!